Everything we touch is manufactured somewhere. Your cell phone, the clothes you wear, your automobile. What we're doing in the Manufacturing Futures Institute, we're trying to converge with manufacturing and artificial intelligence. How do we put all that together to make that connection to the physical world, where we have the technologies in a human-centered way connected to the workforce? As a nation, it's incredibly important that we advance our ability to manufacture so that we have jobs and economic security for our people and have a higher quality of life.